guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. Welcome to the second episode of our coffee shop desserts. So for today's video, we are gonna be baking an easy chocolate mousse cake. So we all know that coffee and chocolate are delectable combo. That's why this is a staple coffee shop dessert. For the base layer, we are gonna be baking a chocolate cake. And then for our second layer, we are gonna be making a chocolate mousse. And then we're gonna top everything with a creamy frosting. So get your spatulas ready and let's start baking. So for the cake, we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, we are going to combine our dry ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. We are then going to make a well in the center and pour in our wet ingredients: oil, evaporated milk, water, egg, and vanilla. We will then mix everything until combined. Once mixed, we are going to pour this on a lined 8-inch baking pan. We will be baking this for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out with a few moist crumbs. Once baked, we are going to let this cool completely and then transfer it to a wire rack. Next, we're going to make our cream and mousse. So in a container, we are going to combine 30 ml of hot water and half a tablespoon of gelatin powder. Then let this sit until it blooms. In a bowl of our electric stand mixer, we are going to pour in 500 ml of all-purpose cream and whip this until it doubles in size. Once it has doubled in size, we are going to slowly add in our powdered sugar. Next, we're going to pour in our gelatin mixture. Once everything is combined, we're going to set aside 1/4 of the cream frosting in a piping bag. For the remaining cream, we are going to fold in our slightly cooled melted chocolate. It's now time to assemble our layers. So we have here a baking pan with a removable bottom. So for the base, we have our chocolate cake followed by an even layer of our chocolate mousse. Next, we will pipe the remaining cream on top. We will allow this to chill for 4 hours to overnight for our mousse to set. Once chilled, it is now time to take it off the pan. So what I usually do is I use something like this, a mug, to help me push the tin later. I then cover the sides with a hot towel in order to loosen it a bit. Then I just slide the tin downwards. And that's it! That's our lovely chocolate mousse cake. It is now time to taste our cake. So, tikman natin. Sarap kaya? So what I love about this recipe is that kahit na puro chocolate siya, it's not overwhelming kasi hindi siya ganun katamis. At the same time, yung chocolate natin, ako, sobrang moist. And then yung mousse naman, it's actually very rich, creamy, at the same time light. So nababalance din ang texture ng ating cake, yung ating mousse. Actually, alam niyo yung bagay dito, nako, black coffee. Sobrang perfect ng combination ng black coffee at saka ng chocolate mousse. Parang ano siya, comforting and rewarding, mga ganong vibes yung nabibigay niya. Kasi chocolate na medyo sweet, tapos meron tayong bitter na coffee. Perfect na perfect talaga. If you're gonna give this recipe a try, please do send me a message or tag me on Facebook and Instagram. And then, kung may mga questions din kayo, mga requests, or may mga suggestion, drop them down below sa ating comment section and I am very willing to read them and reply to them. Don't forget to give this video a like and then subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa ating next episode next week. So, Saturday ulit yun, 8 p.m. Kita-kita na naman po tayo. Happy baking!